Hello everyone. When buying laptop, of course, we want to know its specifications. So, how do we check the specs of a Windows laptop or PC? Let's get to the video. But before that, don't forget to subscribe to WEKA channel to get more videos. Open File Explorer or press the Windows key and E simultaneously. Find This PC or My Computer. Right-click on it, and select Properties. Here, the specifications of your laptop or PC will be displayed, including the device name, RAM, processor, product ID, and other details. Second way, open the Start menu and type System Information in the search bar. Then, select System Information, and the specifications just like before will appear. The third method is to open the Run menu by press Windows, R. Then type DXDIAG and press OK or Enter. This will display your laptop specifications, including the operating system, processor, and RAM. Next, view the display, sound, and input tab and make sure no problems all. The fourth method is to use a third-party application called CPUZ, Open CPUZ, and you will be able to see more detailed information about your PC or laptop specifications. If you don't have it yet, you can download it from the official CPUZ website on the internet. Okay, next, you can watch the video from WEKA after this final screen. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and share it to your friends. Thank you, and see you next time.